let's get back to this thing. Before I start or before I do it with the book, I would be needing this thing from you. Bitte ergänzen Sie die Partizipformen. Yeah. So I'll do it with the book maybe in the next class, but I just, my God, who did this? Oh God. Ein Moment, bitte. It has been done. My God, because I haven't, I made a question and the answers is also there. Okay, ein Moment, bitte. I'll do one thing. I'll just delete everything. Otherwise, yeah, gone. Okay, good. So here, I have got some verbs for you. I have mixed all the verbs, right? So you don't have to write for all of them. But I have tried mixing or I have mentioning all the verbs that is important right now. So I have made for arbeiten, lesen, schreiben, machen, besuchen, einladen. Yeah, one more thing that I need to tell you. Whenever you're going to do the participle form of the 10 parent verbs, for example, einladen, anrufen. So whenever we do it, so we don't do it like this, ein, hard, geh, einladen. No. 10 parent verbs ka jab bhi, when we make the participle, always the GE is added in between. For example, prefix we will write, then we will write GE and then laden, ein, geh, laden, like this. So remember, whenever we make any verb of 10 parent into participle Y, we just don't put the GE at the first place. Rather, we keep it in the between. Prefix और verb के बीच में रहता है. Yeah. So hart eingeladen. This is the verb. Then for example, anrufen. So it will not be hart geh anrufen. No, it will be hart angerufen. Hart angerufen. So again, GE would take the middle place. So remember, all the participles Y of the 10 parent verbs, they keep it in between the GE. Yeah, so now you have got a task here. I would just let, okay. Let me do one thing. Yeah, there are so many verbs, right? Okay, we will do one thing. I'll write the verbs which can be done as a, with the rule. You do it right now here. I'm making the verbs with blue color. You can do it right now. Rest, you can do it as homework. Yeah. Rest, I will do it. I'll help you with the thing because these are irregular verbs. So you need to learn them. So let's do it. I'll warten. Yeah. Tanzen, you did. Spielen. Flirten. Flirten is to flirt. Yeah. Lieben, you can do that as well. Hören, you can do that as well. Then fragen, you can do that as well. It's a normal verb. Kochen, you can do that as well. And then abholen, that is also can be done. That's also can be taken care by you. And then, yeah, sauber machen can be done as well. But just remember, you need to put the GE in between the prefix and the verb. Then, yeah, rewarden, raiden, and telefonieren. You can do all of these in class, and rest we will discuss together. So try to do for all the verbs in class. All these verbs that I have made in blue, try to do their participles Y in the class, and then we can discuss. And always remember, whenever you're going to write the participles Y, always write with the helping verb. Do not just write it without it, otherwise it doesn't make sense. So heart, K are bited. K are bited. First I did. Rest do all of them, and then we can discuss. And I'll also side by side, I'll keep on writing the informal ones, sorry, the irregular ones, so that you can learn this in the homework. So do it, arrange the regular ones, then we discuss the others. Okay. So let me just quickly go back to here. Okay. Lesen is an irregular verb, so it is hart, geh, lesen. Yeah. Schreiben is again irregular verb, so hart, geh, schrieben. The spelling changes. Remember, schreiben and schrieben. So the vowel changes. Yeah, whenever you write or whenever you learn it, please remember. Machen is hart gemacht. We did that already. Besuchen, it is hart besucht. No G, only besucht. Einladen is hart eingeladen. Aufmachen. Aufmachen is a trennbaren verb, so it would be hart aufgemacht. Ja, Sana, für tanzen bitte, einmal.
Hart getanzt.
Hart getanzt, right. Yeah. Then singen is again, it's a regular verb, but the conjugation we have, sorry, the participles why we have for this is a bit changed. So gesungen, hart gesungen. Yeah, Samriddhi, for spielen bitte.
Hart gespielt.
Hart gespielt, sehr gut. Yeah. Then Revati for flirten. Flirten.
Hart geflirtet.
Hart geflirtet. Richtig, hart geflirtet. Okay, then lieben, Sana.
Hart geliebt.
Very good. Hart geliebt. Okay, then verstehen, जो कि मैं बोलती रहती हूँ, verstanden. It's again a change of vowel. Verstanden. Yeah. Hören, I think Samriddhi, you did that.
Yes.
Hart.
Hart gehört.
Hart gehört. Sehr gut. Okay, then ausschalten. This is to disconnect or to switch off. So it's ausgeschaltet. Ausgeschaltet. Hart ausgeschaltet. Haben. Haben is hart gehabt. Hart gehabt. It's something we don't use it much, but then still. Schlafen is hart geschlafen. Geschlafen. Then we have rufen, anrufen. So hart angerufen. Then we have trink, trinken. So it is hart getrunken. Getrunken. Change of vowel. Fragen, Sana.
Hart gefragt.
Sehr gut. Hart gefragt. Schicken. Okay, schicken is hart geschickt. Oh, I could have given that as well. Hart geschickt. That is this. Kochen, Revati.
Hart gekocht.
Hart gekocht. Very good. Hart gekocht. Abholen, Samriddhi.
Hart abgeholt.
Hart abgeholt. Richtig. Sauber machen, Sana.
Hart sauber gemacht.
Sauber gemacht. Sauber gemacht. Geben, hart gegeben. Change of a lot of things. Nehmen is to take. Hart genommen. Remember. Essen, hart gegessen. Again change. Aufräumen, hart aufgeräumt. Aufgeräumt. If I'm not wrong, aufgeräumen oder aufgeräumt? Ein Moment, ich checke einmal. Ich habe das vergessen. Nee, aufgeräumt ist fine, but haben oder sein? I think it's ist aufgeräumt. Hat aufgeräumt. Hart aufgeräumt. Richtig. Werten is to value something, so it becomes hart gewertet. Same rule, but not a good, but it's word that's ausmachen. Anybody who can make me for ausmachen? It's easy. Samriddhi, try.
Hart ausgemacht.
Richtig. Hart ausgemacht. It's a trennbaren verb, which means to switch off. Waschen. So hart gewascht. Hart gewaschen. Hart gewaschen. That's for waschen. Okay, erzählen. Erzählen is hart erzählt. Erzählen means to tell something. Träumen is Traumen is to dream. So hart geträumt. Geträumt. Yeah, hart geträumt. And then warten, Sana. Warten.
Hart gewartet.
Hart gewartet. Richtig. Gewartet. Okay, Raiden. Some Revati.
Hart geredet.
Hart geredet. Richtig. Sprechen is hart gesprochen. Hart gesprochen. And the last one, telefonieren. So, Samriddhi.
Hart telefoniert.
Richtig. Hart telefoniert. Great. So I'll send you the list. You need to remember, or you need to learn the ones which is out of the which doesn't has the common rule based the participle based on the rule. You need to remember it so that when we discuss in the next class, it should be clear to you. Whatever we're going to discuss from the book, it should be clear to you. So the homework is that you need to learn this, and you need to, yeah, that's it. And rest we will do together in the next class, that is on Monday. Am I clear? And I'll send another exercise based on this thing, the same thing, but usme aapko haben or sein lagana hai. That is the interesting part. So do it as the homework as well. So yeah, das ist alles für heute. Treffen wir uns jetzt am Montag. So bis Montag, auf Wiedersehen und ein schönes Wochenende weiter.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Ja, auf Wiedersehen.